My name is Diego Loaiza. I'm a member of Coljet for 4 years now, and my job position gives me the mission of connecting companies that could benefit from dry ice production with some of our equipment or systems. My presentation was all about dry ice applications that we have the most success in globally, and where in the European markets those can be exploited as well. From the dry ice blasting side, you have food processing equipment, the automotive industry, you have mold cleaning. Dry ice is also used for car restoration of collectibles and also luxury detailing of cars. That's one of the newest applications we have discovered. The aerospace industry is a big one. You use dry ice to clean the airplane engines, for example. You can use dry ice as a cooling within food processing facilities, especially in the meat industry, meat, poultry, pork, seafood, for example. The food's being processed, chopped, you use some dry ice, and then you can move it along to the next step of the process. And you're using it to replace electrical-based cooling, which is not as sustainable as dry ice, which is using recycled CO2. It's also a huge benefit to use it in the life sciences industry, for tissue banks, for clinical sample trials, cell therapy, gene therapy, mRNA-based vaccines, for example. All the vaccines for COVID-19 were shipped using dry ice made in Coljet machines, for example. And also, the main thing that we wanted to show the audience of gasworld was what the full portfolio looks like, what options you have to have your own dry ice production, and also how to make that dry ice production a greener one, a more sustainable one by using recovery systems. One of the main takeaways for me of those sessions were how the high capacity carbon capture equipment work, basically, which is completely new to me. I'm used to lower volume recovery systems, for example. What I'd like to say to the European market for CO2 and dry ice is to endure the storm a little bit, because there are different solutions that are coming to replace the ammonia plants and the other sources that are closing. Because there's enough potential for everybody to grow their business in dry ice.
Perfect, Diego. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
That's amazing.
Sure hope so.